Hello, hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit's channel. Today we're going to try something new. Now, I went by TJ Maxx and picked this up. This is a lid organizer. When I saw this, I had this light bulb go off. Sonya, you can use this girl to drain your egg rolls or make tacos in between it. So tonight we're gonna pre-make some tacos. No, see, y'all already know I love damn tacos. But we're gonna pre-make some egg rolls to put up for a later time, and we're gonna use this to see if my vision of trying it for that purpose is really gonna work. So I picked that up from TJ Maxx. I also picked these up. Deja got the orange one. She picked this flavor. This is the Caruso's Italian style soda. Pretty good. I tried the lemon, and it's called Limoncello, but this is the blood orange flavor, and you get 4 of them for $3.99, which is not bad. Haven't tried this one yet, but this Limoncello, I think I'm pronouncing it right, but this is actually good. Y'all know I love lemons anyway, so when I tried this was really good. I got this from TJ Maxx as well. I'm sorry. I guess that is the creator or the founder of the company. Lovely couple. And as you can see, $3.99. Okay, let's put that to the side and let's get off into pre-making some egg rolls to put up. I'm not going to show you. I already have a video up about the egg rolls. There's the cabbage. Went by Target, and lo and behold, they had this cabbage for 62 cents. I was going to say 62 cents a pound, but when it says 62 cents, I was doing some, y'all, because I thought it was going to be 62 cents a pound. I went back and got me 4 of them. So I got the cabbage. Loving these. Got a recipe coming up that I was inspired to do from Publix, because you know they do those meals to inspire you to try something different. When the young lady created this meal with these carrots, she didn't use baby carrots, but she used some carrots. You talking about something good? That one's coming up pretty soon. No more talking. Let's get into it. But yes, we're going to use this to drain our egg rolls, and at a later time I'm going to use it again, because look at the grooves. It makes sense too. You can slide your tacos in between here as you know, put the filling on the inside, the meat, cheese, or whatever you put on it. But tonight it's all about pre-making some egg rolls. Let's get started. Okay, so I put it side by side. It'll work standing up, which is a better way to do it anyway, because you gotta drain the excessive oil from these egg rolls. You do not want that grease in your stomach if you can help it. So less is better when it comes to fried food. So you always want to drain the excessive oil. But I think that works a little bit better. Then it gives me room to put 2, 4, 6 more egg rolls right here in between. Now I just got to figure out which one has the rice and the cabbage inside of it. So I'm letting that drain. And that's the excessive oil that came from it. That's the oil that came from it. It has a golden brown color. I'm going to make about 15 more and put them up. I'm put them up so whenever they have a taste for egg rolls, they can come and get some. But their dipping sauce of choice would be the orange panda sauce. But isn't that nothing greasy on the inside of these egg rolls? Color is beautiful.